The best baby gate for stairs. Parents are overjoyed when they get to witness the first steps their little ones. But as soon as the baby starts moving by themselves, you also have to worry about their safety. The staircase is one of the places where babies can easily trip and fall, and you need to ensure the utmost safety to keep them safe. The best baby gates for stairs are a great way to keep your little one from stepping into the staircase. If you are planning to install one in your house, this post would help you choose the right one that suits your needs. Watching along to find us some baby gates for stairs and a buying guide. Number 1. Cumbor Safety Baby Gate. Cumbor's baby gate has a safety height of 30.5 inches and expandable width of 29.5 to 46 inches. The gate has an ergonomically designed double lock safety release, making it difficult for children to open. This walk-through gate makes it easier to walk while carrying the baby. It is ideal for stairwells, hallways, doors, and other open areas. The lock can also auto-close so that the gate is not left open accidentally. Suits most doors. Easy installation. Can withstand a 150-pound force. Pets can be kept outside. Number 2. Lemon Tree Baby Gates for Stairs. Lemon Tree's baby gates are suitable for hallways, kitchens, stairs, and doorways. It has a customizable width to meet apertures ranging from 30 inches to 40 inches. The gate has a dual locking system and a self-closing feature. Its top and bottom can be adjusted independently of each other. The wall cups and sticky pads are included in the set for easy installation without scratches or dents on the walls. Single-handed opening. Swings open both ways. Easy to install. Durable. Number 3. Summer Infant Top of Stairs Simple to Secure Metal Gate. Summer Infant's Top of Stairs Baby Gate helps make the home childproof stylishly. This metal gate has a secured lock and a white metal finish. The exact width can be obtained by using the slide and lock capability. It has a comfortable grip handle and is convenient to close with one hand. The gate is 30 inches tall, 42 inches wide, and is suitable for pets and children. Suits all kinds of home decor. Easy to use. Easy to install and durable. Number 4. Allaibb Walk-Through Baby Gate. Allaibb's baby gate is simple to set up and expand to fit various home situations. The gate can be adjusted to fit holes ranging from 24.2 inches to 76.38 inches. It has pressure pads on the bottom to keep the baby gate from scratching the wall. With one hand, you can easily open and close the baby gate, and it can also be auto-closed. It is suitable for children aged 6 to 36 months. Sturdy material. Dual swinging doors. Larger metal rod. Easy to assemble. Number 5. Toddleroo by North States Baby Gate. Toddleroo by North States Baby Gate is made from durable stainless and has a warm white finish that matches any home decor. It allows one-handed operation and a safety latch. There is no threshold to step over with this gate, and it will not swing out over stairwells. It is 28.68 to 47.85 inches wide and 36 inches high, making it suitable for various room openings or at the top of the stairs. Innovative design. No sharp edges. Hardware included. Hard to climb over. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.